welcome to the News on Map World Series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode we will be covering the topics which are important from General Studies Paper 1, that is Geography Map section. So let's begin, and the first question that we will be doing is the previous practice question, and I was just going through the comment section. Most of you people have given the correct answer, so let us look at the question. Which of the following statements is not correct regarding the Darien Gap? So, Darien Gap, which of the statements is not correct? So, there are four statements given. First, it is a geographical region between North and South America. Second, due to the inaccessible topography, there is very limited development of transportation in this area. Third, the Pan American Highway, which connects most countries of the American continent, passes through the region. And fourth, the inaccessibility of this area is mainly due to excessive rainfall and related regions. Now let us look at the map of the Darien Gap. So if we will talk about the Darien Gap, then it is a region which comes in between. When we talk about that, if see, this is North America, this is South America, then in between there is a region which is called Latin America, and the region which is called Latin America, so within Latin America there is a region, gap called as Darien Gap. And this gap is called because the Pan American Highway, the only place through which in the North America and the South America that the Pan American Highway does not pass through is the Darien Gap, because Darien Gap, it has an excessive rainfall, criminal gangs, then the topography is very difficult, then the vegetation is very dense, so it becomes very difficult for the construction of the Pan American Highway at the Darien Gap, and this Darien Gap is present in the Latin American region. Then if we talk about, so now look at this map, this is a zoomed out map. So the countries with which the Darien Gap shares its border is the Panama and then the Colombia. So Colombia in the South American continent, Panama in the, you can say the northern border it shares is with the Panama. So this is the Darien Gap. This area between the Panama and the Colombia is known as Darien Gap. If we will look at the satellite map of it, so this is North America, this is South America, and in between there is the Darien Gap. And if you must have watched the movie Donkey, so Donkey movie that is featuring Shah Rukh Khan, so this movie also focuses on the illegal immigration into a country. And if we talk about the illegal immigration, when people go to United States of America, then this is one of the regions also through which they go to Mexico and then to the United States of America. So if we will look at the question, then Darien Gap, it is a geographical region between North and South America. Yes. Then due to the inaccessible topography, there is very limited development of transportation in this region. Yes. Then the Pan American Highway, which connects most countries of the American continent, passes through the region. No. Then the inaccessibility of this area is mainly due to excessive rainfall and related regions. Yes. So the question is asking the incorrect statement. So first is correct, second is correct, fourth is correct. The incorrect statement is option C. So the correct answer for this question becomes option C. Now coming to today's session, the first question is arrange the following cities in the order from west to east. Now west to east means this is north, this is south, this is west, and this is east. So it means west to east direction is this direction. So the cities are Irkutsk, Moscow, St. Petersburg, and Vladivostok. Then choose the correct code. So from west to east, Irkutsk, Moscow, St. Petersburg, and Vladivostok, one thing is common in all these four cities, that is they belong to the country Russia. Now looking at the map of Russia, the largest country, if we talk about from the area size, so we have to talk from west to east. Now west to east, so the westernmost city, if we will look at the map of Russia, then that is the St. Petersburg. So first comes St. Petersburg is first, second comes Moscow, the capital, third comes Irkutsk. So if you will see, Irkutsk is one of the southernmost cities of Russia, and then comes the Vladivostok. It is also one of the southernmost, and this is the place where the PM Modi and the Russian President Vladimir Putin, they also met, and that is why Vladivostok came to a lot of news. So St. Petersburg, Moscow, Irkutsk and Vladivostok. So first comes St. Petersburg, then comes Moscow, then comes Irkutsk, and fourth comes Vladivostok. So the correct code would be, it becomes first is third. So which one is 3, 2, 1 and 4? 3, 2, 1 and 4. So that is option B. First and third gets eliminated because first comes St. Petersburg. So 3 and 3, they all, A and C has 2 in the first number, so it gets eliminated. So the correct answer is 3, 2, 1, 4. That is St. Petersburg, Moscow, Irkutsk and Vladivostok. Now coming to the next question. Consider the following statements with reference to the Hawaiian Islands. With reference to the Hawaiian Islands, and there are two statements given. So the first is, it is closer to the Asian mainland than to the American mainland. That is, American mainland means both North and South America. Second is, it was formed due to volcanic activities. Then which of the above statements is or are correct? Only one, only two, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So let us look at the map of Hawaiian Islands. So we will talk about the Hawaiian Islands. Hawaiian Islands are a group of islands which is present in the Pacific Ocean, and Hawaiian Islands is volcanic in nature. So they were formed because of the volcanic eruption. So if we will talk about the distance of Hawaiian Islands from the American continent and the Asian. So if we will talk about North America, then the distance is around 3,800 kilometers. Then if we will talk about the Asia, then it is around 7,150 kilometers. So it is close to North America, that is 3,800 kilometers, as compared to Asia, which is around 7,150 kilometers. So it is closer to the Asian mainland than to the American mainland. No, it is closer to the Asian mainland. No, it is not closer to the Asian mainland. It is more closer to the American mainland, and specifically the North American mainland. It was formed due to volcanic activity. This is correct. It was formed due to volcanic activity. So first is wrong, second is correct. Which of the above statements is or are correct? First is wrong, second is correct. Codes given are only 1, only 2, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. First is wrong, second is correct. It means the correct answer is option B, that is only 2. Now moving on to the next question. Consider the location of the following countries. There are 5 countries given, and that is Central African Republic, Libya, Djibouti, Kenya and Cameroon. All these 5 countries belong to the African continent. How many of the above mentioned countries share their land border with Sudan? So how many shares land border with Sudan? CAR, Libya, Djibouti, Kenya, Cameroon. Let us see. If we will talk about the country Sudan, so this is the map of Africa, and this is Sudan. So Sudan is, you can say, it is above the Central Africa. So the bordering countries of Sudan, to its north is Egypt, northwest is Libya, west is Chad, southwest is Central African Republic, south is South Sudan, southeast it shares its border with Ethiopia, and then the eastern border is shared with Eritrea, and then it also shares its, you can say, it also shares its maritime boundary with the Indian Ocean. So the country with which it is sharing its border is, Egypt is not mentioned, Libya, yes, Central African Republic, yes. Then let us look at the other options. So Central African Republic, yes, Libya, yes, Kenya, Djibouti, Cameroon. Let us see. Cameroon is very far, because in between Sudan and Cameroon comes the Central African Republic, so Cameroon gets eliminated. Kenya is also very much south to it, because between Sudan and Kenya comes the South Sudan, so Kenya also gets eliminated. Then comes Djibouti. Djibouti is also far away from it, because in between comes the Eritrea. So Kenya, no. Djibouti, no. Cameroon, no. So how many of the above mentioned countries share their land border with Sudan? So Central African Republic and Libya. So options given are only 1, only 2, all 3, only 3, only 4. So the correct answer becomes option B, that is only 2. Coming on to the next question. Consider the following statements. There are 3 statements given. So the question reads, the Tropic of Cancer does not pass through the South America. First. Second is, the equator passes through only 3 countries in the South America. Third, the Antarctic Circle passes only through Chile in South America. Which of the above statements are correct? 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 3, or all of the above? Let us see. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through South America. So if we will talk about South America, so this is the map of South America. We are talking about the Tropic of Cancer. So South America, equator passes through South America. Tropic of Capricorn passes through South America, but Tropic of Cancer does not pass through South America. It is north to the south of America. So this is South America. So see, this is equator, this is Tropic of Capricorn, and this is Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 north, and Tropic of Capricorn is 23.5 south. So this is the border of South America. So South America is to the south of Tropic of Cancer. So the Tropic of Cancer does not pass through South America. This is correct. Then the equator passes through only 3 countries in South America. Let us see this. So if we will talk about the equator, then this is equator. If how many countries is it passing through in the South America? So first is Brazil, yes. Second is Colombia, yes. Third is Ecuador. Peru, it goes very close to the north of Peru, but it does not cross Peru. So it is Ecuador, Colombia and Brazil. So the equator passes through only 3 countries in South America. That is also correct. The Antarctic Circle passes only through Chile in South America. So if we will look at the Antarctic Circle, the Antarctic Circle lies to the south of the South American continent, because Chile is one of the countries of the South America, one of the southernmost countries of the South America. So if we will talk about Antarctic Circle, so Antarctic Circle lies to the 66.3 degrees south. So if we will look at the map, this is Antarctic Circle, this is Antarctic Circle, 66.3 degree south. And if we will talk about Chile, then this is South America, and the southernmost part of South America is also very much north of the Antarctic Circle. So Chile does not pass through the Antarctic Circle. So the Antarctic Circle passes only through Chile in the South America is wrong. So which of the above statements are correct? 1 is correct, 2 is correct. So which of the above statements are correct? 1 and 2 only, 1 and 3 only, 2 and 3 only, or all of the above? So 1 and 2 only. So the correct answer is option A. That is 1 and 2 only. Now moving on to the next question, that is, which of the following water bodies does not touch the coast of Italy? Which of the following is not touching the coast of Italy? Tyrrhenian Sea, Ionian Sea, Adriatic Sea, or Gulf of Aqaba? So let us look at the map. So if we will talk about Italy, then so Italy is one of the countries of the Europe continent, one of the southernmost countries of the Europe continent. So if this is the map of Europe, this is Italy. So Italy is a peninsula because it is covered with water bodies from 3 of its side, and its northern border is, it shares with the you can say the Italian peninsula. Northern border is shared with Switzerland, Austria. So Italy is sharing its borders with water bodies from 3 sides. If this is Italy, this is north, this is south, this is west, Tyrrhenian Sea, this is east, that is Adriatic Sea, and this is south, that is Ionian Sea. So Tyrrhenian Sea, Adriatic Sea and Ionian Sea is with which Italy is sharing its border, and these are, you can say, water bodies which gets mixed in the Mediterranean Sea. So the Gulf of Aqaba is not sharing its border with Italy, because the Gulf of Aqaba is present in the Middle East, and that is around the place of, you can say, Jordan, Israel, Egypt. So it is Gulf of Aqaba is present at the place where Jordan, Israel and Egypt shares border. So which of the following water bodies does not touch the coast of Italy? Tyrrhenian Sea, yes. Ionian Sea, yes. Adriatic Sea, yes. Gulf of Aqaba, no. So the correct answer is option D, that is Gulf of Aqaba. Now next question. Consider the location of the following lakes there are 3 lakes given, that is Timsha Lake, Bitter Lake and Gatun Lake. Which of the above is or are related to the Suez Canal? So which of the following are related to the Suez Canal? Timsha, Bitter or Gatun? Options are only 1, 1 and 2, only 2 or 2 and 3. So let us look at the map. So if we will talk about the Suez Canal, so we need to zoom out on the map of Suez Canal. So Suez Canal is you can say is an artificial waterway which is present in Egypt, and it divides Egypt, you can say. See, this is Red Sea, this is the map of Egypt, this is the Sinai Peninsula, and this is the map of Egypt, and this is the Gulf of Suez, and this is the Gulf, this is the Suez Canal, and Suez Canal connects the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea. So Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea, and it saves a lot of time for the ships which need, because if the Suez Canal will not be working, then the ships needs to cross the complete Africa to the complete south of Africa. So it saves a lot of time because it directly ships can pass from the Red Sea to the Mediterranean Sea. So if we will zoom out on the map of the Suez Canal, this is the map we get, and within the Suez Canal there are different lakes which are present, and few of these lakes are, for example, Lake Timsha, Great Bitter Lake, then Little Bitter Lake. So these are few of the lakes which are present within the Suez Canal, and the Great Bitter Lake is bigger in size and the Little Bitter Lake is smaller in size, and then there is Lake Timsha. Lake Gatun is not present in the Suez Canal because Lake Gatun is present in the Panama Canal. So if we will talk about Panama Canal, then Panama Canal is also one of the artificial canals or the man-made canal which connects the Caribbean Sea to the Pacific Ocean, or you can say the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean, and the Lake Gatun is present in the Panama country, and it is a freshwater lake, and the Panama Canal passes through the Lake Gatun. So consider the full location of the following lakes. Which of the above are related to Suez Canal? Timsha Lake, yes. Bitter Lake, yes. Gatun Lake, no. It is present in Panama Canal, not Suez Canal. So which of the above is or are related to the Suez Canal? So that is 1 and 2. So the correct answer becomes option B, that is 1 and 2. So the answer is option B. Now next question. And this is the practice question, and like every single time, you people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. So the question reads, a person wants to go from India to United Kingdom by land route only, that is railway or road. What is the minimum number of other countries it will have to pass through? So the person is moving from India, so that is point 1, to UK, that is point 2, by land route only. So no waterway or airway is involved, so only railways and roads are involved. So minimum number of countries that the person needs to pass through. So that is 5, 6, 7 or 8. Options are 5, 6, 7 or 8. So what will you do? You will go look at the map of India, look at the map of UK, and then see that if a person will move only by the land route, then through how many countries the person needs to move. And then give me the answer in the comment section. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading, keep writing, and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.